Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, that's right, another video here at the fun day at the junkyard, one of those you pull it type places. Last time I was here, it was pretty cold out. It was starting to get cold, wasn't bad, but winter's gone, spring is here. So, and they have a whole lot more cars, so I'm gonna make my way around here and show you the carnage. So, and there's one that we have in here, which I'm pretty surprised. Actually, this doesn't shock me, because this is what you find in Buffalo. Okay, good old New York State, where they use rock salt. Somebody tried to fix this. This is how rotted these vehicles are. Tried using that fiberglass catalyst and resin you use on boats, but this one, you guys would be pretty surprised where it came from, because there's a biohazard sticker on it. And that sticker right there, if anybody recognizes it, this came from Copart. So somebody probably bought it just for parts, took what they needed out of it after they got it out of the auction, and got rid of it. I mean, as you can tell, everything has been completely taken out of this thing. Oh yeah. I mean, even look how rusted it is. It's just junk. Everything here rots so quick. And this is a Pennsylvania. Look at this. This is the PA truck. You usually don't see that, because most of them there, I mean, even the door, they tried patching it up. You know, I'll give them the 8 for effort. I mean, look at that. They tried. And this is the biohazard one. Yeah, I'm actually going to go in this one, because I'm sure this one's been sitting here for a while. Why? Oh, there you go. Oh, nope, that's not blood. That's just rust. Sorry, guys. I know you guys were probably hoping to see like a finger or a foot. But not this one. There might have been a little bit of blood in it or something like that. Who knows? But we'll look through it and see what we find. And yes, there is crap everywhere. Yeah, they cut out the whole exhaust on this. Oof. Because you know me, guys. Usually when I would go anywhere else, the biohazard ones, I don't go in them. You know, because you don't really know what's been going on. Anybody want a purse, girls? Yeah, it's just all junk. Yeah, been sitting around for a while. I mean, judging how rusted it is in the rock salt. And just junk. It's all crap and rusted. I mean, most of them are going to be like that here. They're going to be all rotted out. You guys know my last video, how bad they rot out here. And the Chevy Avalanche, I'm actually pretty surprised this is here, because you don't really see them here. Most people usually use them up until there's nothing left. And then they just scrap the rest. But there's one, okay, but I'll see, this is what I got to contend with. All this crap all over the ground. Usually they keep it pretty clean when they clean out an aisle. Not today. And it's dry here today, thank God for that. See, this is the other thing they do too. When they come in, they take the gas tanks right out. They drain the gas out of them for the machines, and then they just throw them in the back. Most people come here, they just rip the heck out of them and get what they want. They don't care if they break anything around them, because it's a junkyard. Hey, one of you guys kids need a shoe? Some clothes? You'll find everything in these. And surprisingly, this is still here. I am really surprised. I mean, this has been sitting here all winter long. Of course, somebody had to be a jerk and break the windshield. I mean, yeah, it was starting to separate a little bit, but I don't remember it being like that. Yeah, this is... looks like somebody took some of the hinges off of it. Yeah, that's the sound of an old car. Not old until you hear that. Yeesh. Save. I hate to say it, but there ain't nothing left to save anymore. Here's the hood. I mean, the back glass is still there, and the side glass, I'm surprised somebody hasn't broken that yet. Jeez. Well, more biohazard vehicles. That's getting, you know, more and more in here. You're starting to see more of them. Yeah, this is another Copart one. Oh yeah. And yep, going in. Should I? Shouldn't I? Ah, what the heck. You guys knew before I wouldn't go in them. Now I'm taking a chance. Side curtains. Yeah, it is just all ripped up in here. And it smells as good as it looks. Ooh. Yuck. GM quality, that's what the sticker said. Yeah, you can tell this one went sideways a little better. Ran into something, you can see all the grass and everything. If somebody wanted a motor and transmission out of this one pretty bad, they cut it right out. You wasted no time. Yep, there we go, guys. Good old biohazard sticker. I can't even get in here. These things are all slammed together. I mean, there's some vehicles in there I'm actually pretty surprised they're even here. Old Firebird right there. Another Avalanche right there. Oops, gotta adjust the camera here, guys. And this one's all gone too. All rotted out. This is what we're noted for. Another Copart one. Wow, there's a lot of them. Yeah, the date on this is 11/17/20. Usually these are Copart stickers, but I don't know, maybe they're doing them here now. I don't have no idea. Or that's just what they're doing for the, you know, for the insurance companies, but usually Copart, that's what they have on them. Yeah, it's all beat the crap, even though I got better words for it. 3.8 is just a V6. It was nothing special. Somebody was happy with it at one point. Man, yeah, you're gonna hear a train in the background there. If you look, you can see it moving in between the cars. And this is a great wall of cars. When after they crush them, they just throw them over here. But man, yeah, this place is pretty packed with cars this time. I'm pretty surprised. Remember, these cars were real popular back in the day. Oh yeah, those Chryslers. Man, I mean, there's some of them here that are hit pretty good, rotted out like that. I mean, this thing is bent in half. I mean, it's just so rotted. There's just nothing left. But see, this is the place right here where you come in, you pull the parts off, you sell them to you cheap, because there's other two places that are owned by two brothers, and this is kind of their leftovers. You know, they take the good ones and they part them off for themselves, and then here it's kind of the leftover crap. A lot of PA cars. I'm seeing a lot of the windshield stickers for PA, which is surprising because, I mean, Pennsylvania's not that far off. I mean, yeah, this is your typical junkyard where you just find all sorts of nothing but crap. But what I did see, so this will give you an example of they keep the good stuff for themselves. I can find it again. Even though I can't go over there. The white Nissan 300ZX. You know, you can tell those are newer cars that are still in pretty nice shape, except for that one. But this is, you know, they go over there. You know, those are better picking cars, but that is not open to the general public like this place is. This place is just everything and anything. I mean, some of them are just smashed up a little bit, rotted out, fires, cut in half, insurance claim cars, you name it. It's for that, it's pretty much here. Like I said, in a couple of weeks, all these cars right here, these will all be gone. clean this all up, and you won't even know they existed. And then on to the next batch of scrap heaps. Yeah, I mean, even this one right here, I mean, look, this is, I mean, it's, the rocker panel is just gone, so rotted out. This is what happened in New York winters. We use rock salt, and that paint gets chipped just a little bit, and it's an open wound, and that's how it starts. You know, I mean, it's just, I mean, look at the fender. It's rotted almost all the way up. How bad is that? Another insurance car. A lot of insurance cars in here. And yeah, you're gonna hear some airplanes. I'm used to that here. But there was one here. Oh, another biohazard. Wait a minute. Let's see what we got. Usually when you get the biohazard stickers, you know, something icky happened in it. Hopefully that bag of garbage is not a body. Nope, hunk of plastic. I'm just kidding. If it was a body, I wouldn't be filming it. Trust me, I wouldn't be getting near it. This thing is disgusting. Oof. Hey, anybody need some tampons? There's a whole bunch of them in here. Whoever was driving might have pooped themselves, and yeah, now you need a man pond. Yeah, this is, the seat's even bent. Oh yeah, this one was hit good. Look at that. Oof. Wow. I mean, this right here where my leg is pretty much where the bumper should start. And the motor's pushed all the way back. I don't know what they hit, but it was something hard. This was a New York vehicle too. I mean, it bent the floor. I mean, look at the seat. You can tell it's on an angle. Jeez. And I see some of them in here, man. You know they didn't walk away. Well, then one day you get really surprised that they're even here. More Nissans and all your typical stuff. Those little Saturn SUVs. Old taxi cab. Or it might have been a taxi cab. There's a number on the back of it. Might not have been. Might have been some company fleet vehicle. And here's another one. More biohazard. I mean, look at the roof. They got biohazard stickers all over it. Whoever was in this did not have a good day. Wow, look at that roof. I don't know if this thing went sideways or I don't know. I mean, you can tell it definitely slid. It definitely looks like a rollover. Yeah, it's a little muddy over here. They got all sorts of parts around it. Yeesh. Yep. That's what happens in here. All the nasty ones come. It's kind of like the bottom of the barrel for junkyards sometimes. Chevy Envoys, these things are a dime a dozen too. Oh yeah. More crap. And people just pick off what they need and that's it. Ugh. Here's one with a really nice fine paint job. Looks like it was rattle canned to death. But that's what happens when they're here. You wind up here for a reason. So, alright guys, I'm going to end this one here. I'm going to do some more walking around, do some more filming. But if you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. And when you hit that subscribe button right next to it, that little bell for notifications. This way, you know when my videos come out. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.